Hey guys, if you're trying to log into your WordPress site but the username or password is not working, maybe you forgot your login credentials or something, then keep watching as in this video I'm going to show you two methods to get back into your dashboard and account. So first we just need to head over to our hosting account, whether that be with GoDaddy or SiteGround or whichever hosting company that you're with. And once you've logged into your hosting, we need to come over to our cPanel, and when we're inside of our cPanel, we can scroll all the way down to the bottom here and you'll see this option here, WordPress Manager By. So we're simply going to click on this and this will take us to a page like you see on the screen here. And all we simply need to do is hit this login button, and this is actually going to bypass the login screen and it will automatically log into your account without requiring the credentials. Now if that doesn't work for you, or you simply just want to change the password to an account, the second method that we can do is come back over to our cPanel, and inside of the cPanel we need to scroll down to PHP MyAdmin and select this. And then come over to databases from the top here, and you just need to locate your website database. Now inside of here, you should have something called _users. Mine's labeled MLB users, but yours might be slightly different. And we simply need to come into this entry. And now you can see all of the users on my website. So all we simply need to do here is select edit on the user account that we want to change. And inside of user password, we're just going to type in our new password in here. Inside of this function field, we need to change this to MD5 and just select that, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we can press go to save these changes. And it's as simple as that. When we go to log back in, that will have now changed the password for us. So if you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.